In this video, you will learn how to create and manage models in Neural Designer. A model contains all the elements of your machine learning workflow organized in a clear and structured way. Let's go to Neural Designer. Creating a new model. To create a new model, first determine the type you want based on your study's objective. Suppose you want to create a classification model, as the variable you want to predict is categorical or binary. Then you need to click on the New Classification Model button on the Create New Model menu. Choose a name and a folder for the model to be saved in. After confirming, Neural Designer automatically creates the model structure. You can now configure each step of the workflow using the navigation panel. What a model contains. In Neural Designer, a model stores everything related to your analysis: the dataset, the neural network architecture, the training strategy, and the model selection configuration. Keeping all of these components inside a model ensures reproducibility and a consistent workflow. Opening an existing model. To continue working on an existing analysis, go to Open an Existing Model and click on Open Model. Navigate to the Model folder and select the model file. Neural Designer will automatically load all previous settings, networks, and results. This allows you to pause and resume work seamlessly. Saving your model. A model is stored as a set of files inside the selected directory. To save your progress, click the Save button on the toolbar or go to File, Save Model. It's a good habit to save frequently, especially after training or performing evaluations. Managing versions. If you want to create different experiments or variations of a model, you can duplicate the model folder manually or use File, Save Model as. This lets you compare configurations, track improvements, and maintain a history of your experiments. That's how you create and manage models in Neural Designer. In the following video, you will learn how to load a dataset into your model.